The spark was tiny, and the fire was not. Static ignition is what happens when invisible charge meets vapor at the wrong moment. The donkey professor stands near a liquid transfer operation, fueling, solvent handling, or draining into containers, and he watches hands and hoses more than he watches the liquid, because the hazard is not the fluid alone. It is the vapor above it and the charge building on surfaces that look harmless. A hose flows, a container fills, and the room feels routine. Then a spark jumps. Not dramatic, not loud, just enough energy to ignite a vapor cloud that was already within range. The flash happens fast, and people realize too late that grounding and bonding were not paperwork steps. They were ignition controls. The professor explains the failure chain. No bonding cable, poor grounding, wrong container type, fast flow creating charge, and work done in clothing or conditions that increase static risk. Then he gives the controls: bond and ground before transfer, control flow rate, use approved containers, maintain ventilation, and keep ignition sources away from the vapor zone, including static itself. He adds the mindset rule. If the liquid is flammable, the operation is an ignition management task, not a pouring task. The donkey professor leaves one line clear enough to remember. Vapor does not need a big flame to ignite. It only needs one tiny spark that arrives when discipline is absent. Type this in the comments. Safety first. Subscribe to join the few who seek truth. Share this with a warrior who